You've got mail.
So bloating is the most common symptom I see in my clinic. In today's video, I'll explain the causes and my recommendation to get this taken care of for you. So what causes bloating? When it comes down to it, there are 5 main reasons why people have bloating. Number 1 is diet. Certain foods that we eat produce a lot of gas. Number 2, eating too quickly, swallowing a lot of air, drinking through straws, or rushing through life whenever you're just rushing to get food down is a very common cause for bloating because you're swallowing a lot more air than normal. Number 3, constipation. When things get stuck, it backflows and causes a backlog of everything else, just like plumbing whenever you have something get stuck there. Food intolerances. The most common ones include dairy. A lot of people don't realize that they have an intolerance to dairy. And number 5, a change in your gut microbiome, a gut imbalance. This is the root cause for a lot of my patients that have bloating. So what can you do? Here are my tips that I recommend. So number 1, just slow down. Now it's easier said than done, but I'm telling you the literal act of slowing down when you eat will make a big difference in terms of making you feel better. Number 2, eliminate the most common foods that cause bloating. Dairy, artificial sweeteners, and high FODMAP foods. I have a lot of videos on this. Number 3, stay regular. Make sure your constipation is taken care of. Make sure you're happy with every single bowel movement. Then number 4, look for patterns. Keep a food journal. The physical act of keeping your journal makes a big difference in terms of getting your bloating taken care of. Bottom line is bloating is not normal, and this is you. I want you to talk to us about what we can do to get your bloating taken care of.